Hello viewers, in this video we are to solve this equation, but with this question we have about 3 procedures to solve it, but with this one we are to use only the log procedure to solve it. But before we start, if you are new here, don't forget to subscribe, press the notification bell for more videos. Thank you. Now let's get started. Now we start by taking log of both sides. Now since they are having base 2, so you will have log base 2 of 2 to the power 10 plus 2 to the power 10 bracket closes equals log base 2 to the power 2 to the power x. So from here, at the left hand side, I'll have my log base 2 of, now I can factor 2 to the power 10 out, so I'll have my 2 to the power 10 out. This one gives me 1 plus 1 bracket closes, or in the bracket equals, now I know this x can drop as x log base 2 of 2. So now from here I'll have my log base 2 of 2 to the power 10 multiplying, now this one gives me 2 bracket closes equals, I know this one gives me 1, so I'll have my x here. So from there I know this one is to the power 1. Since they are having the same base and multiplying, their exponent will add, so I'll have log 2, this one gives me 2 to the power 11 equals x. Now this one drops, this 11 drops as 11 log base 2 to the power 2 equals x, and I know this, the whole of this one gives me 1, so therefore my x equals 1. So my final value for x is 11. Thank you for watching the video, but please don't forget to subscribe, press the notification bell for more videos.